Hello guys, welcome to Trading Science. So in this video, I'll be sharing you the live trading of my budget day special strategy. So this is basically only for a special budget day strategy, and you can see the pre-market is completed, and it had opened the gap up of 120 around 120 points. Sorry, 150 points Nifty, and let's see the premiums how it is. We have 3 minutes left to open the market. So you can see the premiums is around 1718, 190, 115, 166, 138. Okay, most probably the premiums will get at 140, 150 around on both the sides. Okay, you can see this is at a completely resistance point. The market is opening completely at resistance. So there is a high probability of rejection from here on the after opening. I am keeping it in 15-minute time frame. So, as I explained in the strategy, we are going to apply this straddle here, short straddle with no stop loss and no target, and at 920. So we'll wait for the 920. At the money, we will sell. Market is open, so you can see there is some rejection happening here. I probably for the selling side. We need to wait for the candle close, at least 5 minute candle. See whether price action is at negative side or down upside. Okay, Bank Nifty is at positive side. It seems like it's moving to upside. But see, we have to wait for the candle close. So even if it is going upside, there is a resistance here. Okay, it's a complete resistance zone for the Bank Nifty, and for the Nifty, yeah, you can see the same level for the Nifty also. These are the resistance zone. So let's have a look at premiums here. So you can see 230 and 80. There is completely opposite 170, 100 and 200, 175. So we have to choose the same strike prices with this strike price. The OI, if you see the OI data, 47 and 37, 17,700 is the straddle. There is a high on 17,700 straddle. See guys, I just applied the short straddle here. 17,700 call and 17,700 put. I'm trying with only one lot because actually this is the first time I'm trying this strategy. I have back tested this strategy, but it was working very well from the past 5 years. So, but still I don't want to take a huge risk. I wanted to study it completely. That's why I'm going with one lot as of now. So let's look at India VIX how it is moving. So you can see it from 19 to 13 to 19 it went before the budget. There is high probability of falling and premiums will be more decay for today and tomorrow. So tomorrow is since tomorrow is expiry, so we may see some good decay. So you can see OA data is building at 17,800, huge data, as well as 17,700 also. So I guess 17,800 is a proper straddle, I guess, because the premiums you see it is 130 and 150. You will get around 130, 140 between both. But we did 17,700 straddle. Let's see how it goes. So if any leg is falling below 10 rupees, I'll exit or until I will wait for 12, sorry, 230 as per our plan. We may see the wild moves after if it is consolidation till this level till 2 12 12:30 before the news come, so we can get some good profits over there. If it is moving violently in the morning itself, like upside and downside and all, by the end of the day, it may close around the same level, opening level. So let's hope for the best. I'll update you what's update on this. As of now, it's still a green red candle. So if it is breaking upside, then we can see the market up to 17 950. If it is not breaking the above level, and we can see the fall here. So as of now, we are at a break even. So whenever we are trying with new strategies, it's quite common if we are facing any losses or psychological disturb. So if you are stick with any plan, whatever it is, you have to be ready for it. And for this trade, I'm ready for to take the losses, either the profits. So I'm gonna wait for till 2:30, and I'll be updating you in between. Hello guys, time is around 11:50. It's about to be at 12. So if you see our positions as of now, it's around 2000 profit. I have not done any trades apart from this. I'm just waiting for some more decay. So now the market is completely inside the range. So let's see if it is breaking this level. We may see some big moves. We may get it after 12 or 1 o'clock. We may see some big moves. Or if it is falling till 17,700, we can see on closing of 17,750 around the same level. So we get some good profits if it's closing somewhere around 700 to 750. Okay, let's hope it's not break about 17,828.30, and we'll see what's the update. I'll update you by 3 p.m. Oh, sorry, 2:30. 2:30 will be our exit point. So guys, the time is 2:15 as of now. So you can see I'm running with 5,500 profits. It's almost went to 6,000. So I'll just wait for 15 more minutes. As per our plan, we need to exit at 2:30. So whatever the profits are at 2:30, we will exit it. So we have 10 minutes left to exit. At least I'm expecting more above 5,000. So as we see in the previous records, as I explained in the video, so and on average, it is giving more than 5,000 apart from 1 year. Uh, so that's why I'm expecting above 5,000. Let's see. We have still 10 more minutes left. We still have 5 more minutes left. So you can see Nifty today is completely volatile. So when the market is at high levels, I was in a loss of 1,000 to 1,200 somewhere around that, not more than that. Even if we had even after having this much 200 points big move, I was not in a huge losses because of the decay. And since today is a budget, there will be a huge decay. So with the help of that, I was not having much losses even after this big volatility. So after this fall again, I started getting profits. Now you see it's around 617. 630 rupees. I shorted at 17,700 call option and put option. I guess it's time to exit. So let's wait for 2 more minutes. We'll exit 1 minute before the 2:30 so that we can avoid some volatility on exiting. If you see this market Nifty in weekly time frame, so you see some clumsiness, but this indicator is really helpful. You can see here there is a black mark which is forming at the same candle, which is in real time, and there is a high probability of when this black point is forming. That means it has to form below the closing price. That means it has to close for the red candle, not for the green candle. So you can see it is forming for the green candle. So there is a high probability of falling and forming a green candle, and then next week we can see the big move for the from the by the upside or downside. Okay, we need to wait for one more candle after forming one black dot here. Then we can see some reversal or some view out of it. Okay, as of now it is completely on selling side. So let's see the 5 minute time frame. 1 minute. Okay, it's falling more than that, and we are started draining our profits. I was expecting above 5,000. It's okay, fine. It seems like we need to exit. Okay, I guess I have exited with a profits of 4,480 rupees. Sorry, I was sharing different tab. So you can see I exited our positions. You can see my order book here. I started my position at 19,900. Okay, I mean sorry. I started my positions at 919. Exited at 4228. Okay, I can see there is a reversal within a minute after our exit. That's fine. We got some profits out of budget day from that budget day instead of losses. We didn't do any much complex things here. We just applied a simple straddle here and exited at 230. That's it. It's very good profits without any strain. And you can see for the analysis. Okay, this strategy I have explained in my YouTube channel. Clearly, would be last week only. So in that, so this strategy I have explained in my YouTube channel. So where I explained each and every point of a strategy, and I have shown the backtest result of that strategy as well. But you can check out my YouTube channel, and you can see here budget date special strategy. I have explained it very clearly. It's only 7 minutes of it. You can watch this video for this strategy, and you can apply the strategy every budget. So for this budget, that's it. 4,400 profits without any risk, without any strain. Okay. Okay. I think that's it, guys. Thank you.